Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here, hope you're well. We are going into Minecraft lesson number 3 this is, and I'm going to go to my library, I'm going to go to my lessons, computer science, block-based coding, and then we're going to go to coding fundamentals number 1. We're going to get polar bear rescue this time, and we are going to go and save the polar bears. We've got several tasks here, and this is all about conditionals. And we are going to find out about simple loops, which are here, and we're going to develop programs with sequences, loops, and we're going to go and solve some problems. We have to break down some problems, and we have to get some precise sequences. We're going to create some programs that include events, loops, and conditionals. So we did events last time. Events are just things that happen in our program. Loops are repeats that we had last time, and this time we're going to use while loops. So while something happens, we want our robot to do something at the same time. So detecting some blocks in front of it maybe, or underneath it, and while something is there or not there, we want something to happen. So I'm going to right click on Dr. Barwin, and then we're going to go and say I'm ready. So here we are going to explore this here, so we're going to say while this is here and it can detect something, we've also got to move forward at the same time. So we can see the polar bear's footprints, and we are going to have to go to our code, check out what the tutorial says at the top, program the agent to dig a path without knowing how far it goes using while and agent detect commands. So the agent needs to destroy forward and up for you to be able to walk through all of the snow. When done, press play to compile your code. Don't forget to run your code in Minecraft. So what we need to do here is we need to be able to detect agent block forward, and while that happens we need to go and move our agent forward. So let's just do a very simple test to start with. So I'm going to hit play. I need to make sure I know what I'm saying here. Cub. So I'm going to go and get the cub. Go to my chat command and type in cub. And so at the moment it's detecting things that are happening, and it's detecting forward and trying to find out what it should be looking for. So let's just go into our code here. While agent detect block forward, move agent forward by 1. Now obviously this isn't going to work. We need to go and destroy forward. So let's go and say that. So this is our test now. Remember to right click on our code. We can go and get our radio and right click. And so when we go to text now, remember you don't have to type it, you just have to hit the arrow up and it will auto type for us because it will get our history. I'm going to hit enter. And so it's going through to the other side. However, we can't get through here, so we have to destroy it up at the same time. So let's go into our code, and when we move forward by 1, we also want our agent to destroy up at the same time. And so move agent forward by 1, and then we can go and move forward by 1. So while this is all happening, while it's detecting the block forwards, because it'll check it what's happening forwards, there'll be something in front of it, and it should go into here and destroy it all at the same time. So we've got 2 blocks. We'll follow our agent and our mission is complete. So now we've got a polar bear task, and our polar bear is going to follow us down to the bridge, and this is our second task in the next video. Right, I'm going to escape out of this and I'm going to let you have a little go yourselves, and I'll see you at the chasm problem in the next video. As always, Year 5, good luck.